My hubby and I went out on an adventure today. Every year at Mardi Gras time, we get the privilege of having a active military Navy ship come into port and visit us for 3 to 4 days. During this time, they offer the locals tours of the ship. Now, we don't get to go on the inside because it is still an active ship and they do have personnel in there. However, we get to tour the whole outside of the ship and learn a lot about the ship and where it's been. This particular ship has been to the Middle East, it's been to Europe. Its original home port is in Norfolk, Virginia, but it has toured all over the place. Active since 1998, our tour guide was amazing with all the information that he gave us. If you ever get this opportunity, I strongly suggest that you go and tour one of these ships. It is absolutely amazing learning the history and all the information that they do on the ship.